Okay, ISAD 135, Principles of International Finance. This is going to be the quiz week. I've already posted the videos to the website. The exam is in class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, March 13th, 15th, and 17th. For the in-class exam, the first question goes over foreign exchange forecast models. I'd like you to write out the regression equation and give me the 5 variables that you would use to forecast foreign exchange. But also show me the regression equation. Underneath the equation for the independent variables and the dependent variable, tell me what the variables are. And the dependent variable, it could be level, it could be appreciation, you tell me. Also list off to the side all of the factors and try to categorize them to economic, demographic, political. Try to categorize the factors that affect appreciation, depreciation, and level of currency values. State the dependent variable, show the final model, and other data mining methods that you would use to come up with the independent variables and factors if you were putting together and you were trying to do some validation, verification, and model building. What data mining methods would you use? The next question is on yield curves and negative interest rates. You can use the computer to be able to find this information. I'm looking for yield curve trends, spreads between the US and Japan and Germany. Calculate the real rates and look at the real rate trends, which are basically short-term rates compared to long-term rates, and the difference is the expected inflation. So give me trends in inflation expectations. The capital and commodity markets, you can use the computer on that one. Show me some stock market indices for some major markets. Show me trends and level. You can actually print these out and do the technical analysis. Show me trends, show me the levels, list on the page the factors that are driving the indices up and down. Do the indices across markets correlate with each other, which ones seem to lead, which ones seem to lag, which ones seem to be more volatile. Conduct the technical analysis, show me trends, breakouts, sideways patterns, accumulation, running of the stocks, breakouts to the upside, breakouts to the downside, accumulations, show me the trends. Also give me the levels and the trends in oil and gold, since those are international assets. And then give me foreign currency index trends for at least 3 or 4 of the major markets: the dollar, the yen, the pound, the euro, the US dollar. Show me trends, show me levels. I print these out too. Show me the technical analysis, conduct the same technical analysis approach to the currencies as you did the stock indexes. Conduct supply-demand analysis, tell me the factors that are driving these currencies up and down, and then show me that supply-demand analysis graph, the supply side, shocks where it shifts out and back. Show me the demand side chart where the demand shifts up and down. And then tell me if the country is running persistent, current, and portfolio account deficits, what that will do to the currency. Will it cause it to appreciate or depreciate? Global modern portfolio theory and global postmodern portfolio theory. Show the global portfolio in an efficient frontier context or multi-asset context. Show me everything: capital allocation line, utility curves, the efficient frontier, the bowing out of the efficient frontier through international diversification. Show the effect of diversification and hedging if you were using forwards and futures and options on futures and selling short and buying on margin and buying calls and writing puts and calls. Show me what the effect would be on the expected rate on the portfolio standard deviation, the risk-adjusted rate of return, the capital allocation line, and particularly the capital allocation line under a 0 interest rate and a negative interest rate policy. Give the target and model global multi-asset portfolio, give me the allocation, the target allocation. Give me global derivative applications. If you were forecasting foreign currency to appreciate or depreciate or revalue or devalue, what would be the trades that you would make if you felt that the values were going to go up for the currency or values were going to go down for the currency? If they were going to appreciate or depreciate, show me the trades. And then the deliverable, which is due on Friday, and I need you to bring me the deliverable in pieces today and on Wednesday, and then lastly on Friday, so that I can review it, read it, and check it off. So it needs a cover page with a clip. You need to have the global stock market memo, which you did with your team. The global stock market memo, which you did on your own. The one-page global stock market report that you did along with the PowerPoint, if you did it with 3 slides on each page. The in-class quiz, which I will take. The take-home quiz, which you will have completed. The GTC business report, which was the research report you did along with a PowerPoint presentation. And then don't forget to put the cover page on the front of it, and don't forget to put the abstract after the cover page and before the outline. Give me your chapter PowerPoint presentation if you've already done it. 3 slides per page with the lines for notes. And then lastly, give me a cover page stapled homework number 1. And then if you haven't done it yet, put the statistical pretest on the back. Okay? Good luck.